Hello, you're welcome to this video. We are going to be looking at how to start AirtimeVTU business in Nigeria using 1DataSub as a platform in 2024. And this video is going to be a little bit practical in terms of like we're going to do the recharge and see how everything goes, even the commissions you're going to be getting as someone that wants to be reselling the products, especially when you talk about Airtime VTU. So stick around on this video. But before I continue, my name is Sherak and this is Nigerian Telecom Business TV. Now, this channel is all dedicated to teaching you how to actually start various VTU business opportunities in Nigeria. We cover VTU setup solutions, platform reviews, video trainings, tech reviews. So do it to subscribe to the channel, hit that subscription button. Why? Is because we are always updating the channel almost every time to be able to teach you how to properly start telecom business in Nigeria. Okay, we cover platforms, reviews. We also cover trainings and also VTU Portal set of solutions that are very affordable and it will give you the starting point on running a perfect telecom business in Nigeria. And our support line is always here 247 to attend to you if you have any technical inquiries. Maybe you have a clarification that you needed assistance with, then we can actually get you started. Okay, now you can as well call on us anytime or WhatsApp us, which is 091 37 97 0068 or 081 36 37 446. These two lines are all both on WhatsApp 247 to attend to. And make sure you subscribe to the channel because we'll be making some various videos reviews across multiple VTU business opportunities. In fact, this channel is dedicated for just VTU business in Nigeria. So that's why you need to subscribe to the channel to know the bell notification icon so that you'll be notified whenever we make an update, just like this very one you're watching. Having said that, let's go back to the video properly. Now, using 1DataSub.com.ng is a very good, reliable platform when you talk about vending product. That includes AirtimeVTU, also data subscription. But in this video, we are focusing more on AirtimeVTU, which is one of the first services on the platform. So how do you get started with this platform? It's very simple. You have to have an account with the platform. We already made several video reviews. That's why I say you should subscribe to the channel because we'll be making several videos. If you go to the video sections, you also see several videos we'll be doing on this channel as regard to 1DataSub. But specifically, we're going to be looking at how to go into the system, log in as a user, and then actually buy products like AirtimeVTU. You can actually buy it for yourself, also resell for others. I mean, when I'm talking about reselling, it means that, okay, you want to be selling the product like AirtimeVTU. People can request for the product, and then you say to them, make profit from the transaction. So that's what we're going to be looking at briefly. So we're going to be using the mobile device to access the whole thing because I believe most of us are using mobile system to access the internet. So that's why we're looking at the mobile version of the system. So you can actually follow up the whole process. Now, having said that, let's go to the video properly. Now, coming here is very simple. All you have to do is to click on sign in here. Then it will take you to the place where you have to log in, right? So I'm going to just quickly do that. So once you are here, you just have to put in your phone number and then your password. Okay. So please create an account. If you have not created an account, you just have to come down here and click on this create account. So you can see it right away. Just click on this create account. So it's very, 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 very easy. And it doesn't take you up to 2 minutes to do that. So you just have to fill up your form, your first name, your last name, your phone number, your email address. Now, pay very good attention to this. Make sure you make use of good email address because if you don't, the system will be sending you an OTPS. Okay, the OTPS will help you to actually. It is like a code that the system will send to you that will enable you to kind of verify your account. So make sure you provide a very good email address. And then when you click on continue, it will take you to the place where you have to define your password, your PIN. The PIN is necessary for you to do transaction on the platform. So I already done the registration in most of my videos I've done in the channel. So go to the channel to be able to understand all this process. So now I'm going to just log in. I'm just have to just provide your phone number, which of course you define when you're registering. So provide it and then put your password, which of course you see is very simple, right? So just click on login. So once you click on login, it will take you to your own account area. This is like, okay, a place where you can be doing transactions every time on the system. So you can see it right away that this particular information that you're actually seeing here is very important because it will help you to know what is happening on the platform. So make sure you read the information critically anytime you want to log in. So quickly, I'm going to just walk you on the whole process. What are the here is very simple. Your name, which is your username, is going to be carried out here. Then fund wallet has to do with put money into the system, because for you to do transaction on the platform, you have to make sure you deposit money. So this is the available balance you have with the platform. So this is the referral commission. If you are referring someone into the platform, you're going to be reading up that section. So if coming down here, you see the short link here, it has to do with own a VTU portal. If you want to own a VTU portal, you can click on that. Then you can download the mobile app to enable you to access the platform seamlessly on your mobile devices. So make sure you download the mobile app. And then, of course, phone wallet is also here. So the first thing you need to do is to phone your wallet, just like I rightly said. So click on that phone wallet option there. It will take you to the place here. You have the bank, then the card. Okay, the bank and the card are temporarily disabled for the meantime. So make sure you click on manual here. So when you click on manual here, it will take you to the place where you can actually see the bank to pay. You can see pay here. You can see the account name. You can see the amount, the account number. Then the instruction you need to do when you must have make your payment, which is very, very, very important. So it says, please contact admin before and after making any transfer. Wallet funding do not attract any fee, irrespective of any amount you wish to fund with. Funding time range from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily. Your account will be credited within 10 minutes, within 1 to 10 minutes after you send your registered phone number, platform name, which is 1DataSub, and transaction proof to admin on WhatsApp. Okay, so make sure you follow the instruction that is written here boldly. It's very important. Now, another thing you should also do is to click on this contact button here that looks like a WhatsApp icon, right? It will help you to actually get in touch with support anytime you run into a problem in the platform. So make sure you click on this. Are you with me now? So having said that, let's go back to the home page. How do we buy AirtimeVTU? Before you get to buy AirtimeVTU, you need to understand the pricing system on the platform. So click on prices here. You can see it right away. So I'm going to click on pricing. When you click on prices, you see here that the AirtimeVTU is very important to learn the price mechanism that surrounds the platform. Now, subscribers are people that are just registered, like you just sign up an account, it's called a subscriber. So you're going to get 1% discount irrespective of any network you are buying, whether Airtime, whether MTN, whether Glo, whether 9Mobile or Airtel. Okay, now agents are also getting 2% discount, okay, while vendor is getting what, 3% discount. So these are the various discount level across Airtime as a service on the platform. Now, having said that, how do you now make an upgrade? Maybe probably you want to upgrade to either agent, vendor, or you just want to stick with the platform, the what's it called, the package you have on the platform. So quickly come down to this section. You'll be able to see here, you can see agent, right? You can see where the stem says agent. You can see vendor. So what it means is that you can click here to upgrade to agent or click here to upgrade to vendor. So that's what it means. So if you click on this place, you see the amount the vendor package costs, which is 2,000 at the moment of recording this video. Why I usually say it at the moment, because things may change. This package may be higher or lower than this amount. So take note of that. So if you also go back to upgrade to what's called to vendor, it is 26,500 at the moment, because this vendor package are people that want to own a VTU website. So they are actually paying for both VTU website, both for the vendors, both for a lot of things. So make sure you watch the videos that are going to be on the last conclusion of this training, so you can actually know how to own your own VTU website. That's if you are interested on that. Okay, now having seen that, let's go to click under services. You see, just click on Airtime. Okay, Airtime. So when you click on Airtime, it will take you to the section where you have to pay attention to it, which is very important. Now, it's very simple because the video is all about how to buy AirtimeVTU, right? So if you come here, you see that this time we ask you to select network. So here, I'm just going to select MTN. Then it's going to select the type. Is it VTU or share and say? But right now, it is only VTU that is on the platform right now, okay? So just click on this VTU. Then you have to just put your phone number. This phone number is going to be the number they want to recharge on the line you want to recharge, right? So make sure you pay attention to that. So you can see that the system will actually identify to understand, to make sure that, to tell you that, okay, this is actually MTN line. Make sure the system mark it as good, right? So it's very, very important. So after that, you just click on amount. What is the amount you want to recharge the airtime? Okay, remember, before you do this, you must have funded your wallet, which is very important, right? So just click on buy airtime on this place. Now, once you click on buy airtime, all you have to do is to click on this. It says, are you sure you want to buy? You're about to purchase MTN airtime of 100 naira for the phone number, which is, you can see there. Do you wish to continue? Just click on yes. So you just have to put your PIN, right? So you just have to put your 4-digit PIN, right? I don't even know I could remember my own PIN, but let me just see whether this is correct, right? Let me see if this is correct. I think this is correct. Yeah, okay, you can see I've just make a top up, and then you can see that the recharge has been successful. What it means is this, that this particular line, which is this line, has gotten this particular airtime VTU, right? Now you can see it, I recharge 100 naira, and then you can see here that if I scroll down here, you have to see that I was debited, what's it called, 97 naira. The reason is because I am a vendor on this platform, not a subscriber or agent. So that's why I was debited this amount, right? So if I now go back to my account status, you'll be able to see that my balance has now reduced to this amount. So you can see that this is the amount that my balance is now reading up, right? So now another thing you should also do is to be learning how to trace your transactions. So for instance, you'll be able to trace your transaction as like, okay, you make a recharge and then you want to know where the transaction history is. Now, how to locate it is very simple. Just click on these transactions. Click on these transactions. So once you click on transaction, you have to see the transaction you have just done. Like this particular one I just did right now. You can see it. You can also click on that to see the transaction just as it is. And you can also print a receipt of this transaction. For those of you that want to resell the product, you want to be making money from reselling, just click on this view receipt. Okay, so once you click on this view receipt, to take you to the place where you are to automatically generate the receipt. So all you have to do is to use Control P on your keyboard. That's if you're using the system, or also use your phone device to connect the printer, and then the system will actually print the receipt for you so that your users can be rest assured that the product get delivered to the phone. These are for like people that are now resellers. You want to just print the receipt so that your customer can be rest assured that the product get delivered, right? So that's just how to make what's called do AirtimeVTU transactions and then make profit on the process using this platform, which is called 1DataSub.com.ng. It's 100% secure. Make use of the link in the description of this video to sign up right away. And make sure you download the app. The app is free to download. Once you download it, install it so that you can have right access to it on the go. Right. So, and also if you want to own a VTU website, for those of you that are interested to own a VTU website, just like 1DataSub.com.ng, just like the platform itself, now it is 100% available on the platform. Just click on this homepage. When you click on the homepage, for those of you that want to own the VTU platform, just like 1DataSub, click on the homepage, go down to the footer of the system, and then click on this particular VTU setup system. Click this first icon that is here, and it's going to take you to the third page where you are going to learn everything about 1DataSub.com.ng reseller business opportunity. Now, the video that is going to be popping up right away is going to also explain everything about this particular business or information for you in a detailed evaluation. So make sure you watch the video that is popping up right away, and also subscribe to the channel, like and share this video, and then take action right away. by using the link in the show on this video to get started with 1DataSub.com.ng. I remember who shared that. I'm going to see in the very next video. And then watch the video that is popping up to take action to becoming a portal owner using 1DataSub.com.ng technology. I remember host Mr. Shedak. I'm going to see in the very next video. Thanks and God bless.